Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. We have a seller here selling this house to a buyer friend. Seller does not want to make any corrections. So we're going to dive into this house and see what we find. Alright, so this is like a stand-up crawl space that kind of goes into a smaller portion of the house. You can tell this is a nice tall section. This is nice. Sounds like a little basement in there. But I gotta turn the camera on, the light. There we go. I gotta get the light on the camera. We got a dead bird. Alright. So the seller kind of gave me a little bit of a heads up that there may be some issues here. We're going to find all that out. And you can see that we already have some termites. Okay, subterranean termite mud tubes. Wow, that was quick. Some damage. God, these spider webs. If you see me shake the camera, you see a hand go over the lens. I'm just cleaning these spider webs. I dive into these crawl spaces. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I go in here blind with you. So I do a quick run of the house, and then I go back out and do another inspection. But when I have some extra time, I make a video, let you guys see what's going on. So there we go. I gotta just keep on taking some of these spider webs, man. Guys, it doesn't look like anybody's been down here in a while. A lot. This is active powder post beetles. You can see those little pinholes right there, and the streaming frass, which is actually wood shavings. And there you go. That I would have to say is active powder post beetles. Now they don't. Look at that. That's all sawdust. Wow. Okay. Excuse me. A lot of fungus. Look at all this. Got fungus. Got powder post beetle. Look at all this frass. Wow. It's been going on for quite some time. Inside that wood has got to look like Swiss cheese. That's horrible. Yeah, that's gonna have to get treated. Now, how they treat all that is they can come down here and spray all the bottom sides of those joists. Look at this genius. Look how they framed this. There is nothing supporting underneath this. They just butted this 2-ply. What? No way. Oh boy, here we go. Look at this. That is some active powder post beetles. All you guys out there know a little bit about powder post beetles, give me a shout out. We don't get to see this much. Every once in a while we come across. Look at this framing job. Wow. Now this house has been around for quite some time. I don't know, probably built in the 70s. If I were to just take a guess. But this is a nice tall section. So this is the other side, the back side of that basement. I'll show you guys later on when I get back inside there, but I gotta make my round around into this crawl space and see what's happening. But I'm trying to find the goodies. Always find the goodies. We already came across. We got termite damage. We got termites, powder post beetles. So far, I'm seeing a lot of these joists are just covered in fungi. There, fungi. Look at all this. Wow, that's not good. Okay. Well, man, when I look through the lens on this camera, I can see all those particles floating around. I don't make too many videos out of all the houses I do make. I don't wear a mask on the ones I make a video because I can't talk. But look, these are all the nails from the wood flooring. See how they get all rusted out? Being in a crawl space. This is all, look at this, powder post beetle damage. Wow. Yeah. I mean, I don't really, a butted joint That's not rusting on a column. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. No. I mean, there's sawdust everywhere. There is a super active problem. So you have to spray the whole bottom side of this entire house. All these wood beams, the subfloor. Massive, massive, massive problem. Wow. He did give me a heads up. He kind of gave me the look. He was like, good luck there, young man. You're going to probably find a few things. So far I have. I don't know. Let them negotiate. Let them do. Oh, boy. Here we go. Let me get... God, it's so hard with these spider webs. Look at all these mud tubes. Wow, subterranean termites. So on that other corner of the house, subterranean termites. On the this is the front. I'm looking at the front of the house right now. The front side of the house, all subterranean termites on the joist. No way. Hope you guys can see this through the camera lens. I don't like to edit my videos. I like to make a nice straight run, so you guys can see what's happening. Sometimes I might have to edit something because I stumble on my words when I'm down here, and I love it how you guys correct me in the comments. I one day told a guy that these rafters down here, and he's like, those are joists. I'm like, yeah, I know that. But I appreciate it. It's just, you see me waving my... Wow, look at that. Look at those termites. Oh my God. This guy definitely wasn't kidding, was he? He gave me that look saying, man, good luck. So I'm at the, right here, I'm at the end of the Crawlspace. Look at all that damage. I am so used to watching subterranean termites destroy houses, man. It's like coming, just, I'm not even fazed by it. You guys, for you guys who don't see termite damage much, this has got to be horrible. But no question about it. This is a lot of termites. That entire front wall. So the wall to the left of me, that's the garage. Another bird. Look at that. That's the second bird. Look at this. More termites. Holy smokes. Look at all those mud tubes. So these termites, they make these mud tubes coming up from the ground to protect themselves. They also called shelter tubes. Keeps them moist, keeps them protected, and they just travel through those tunnels, and as they're traveling, they're just devouring this wood. They don't care. New wood, old wood, live trees, dead trees. You know, when that Hurricane Katrina hit and all those trees collapsed, they did a lot of research on those trees. 30% of those trees actually collapsed because they were hollowed out from the Formosan termites, which were actually a type of subterranean termites, were the most aggressive kind. I see feathers. Yeah, so look, I'm waving my flashlight, I'm taking down spider webs, and I'm trying to film, and I gotta get over this pipe. Right. Well, this corner right here is between. It says a little section in the corner, adjacent to the garage. This little side, usually about an 8-foot section. I have more termites. Man, this buyer's not gonna like this. I do not try to scrape them off. I let, he might have a termite company, who knows. Got some damage right here. Look at this damage. Wow. We got repairs that need to be done. If he might, this might all be, you know, I'm going to deem it as active to protect myself and to protect the buyer. Now, if they have a company that says it's not active, then they'll write a letter for usually the seller saying that, hey, this house is protected. That's none of it's active. I try not to scrape mud tubes like those. Because here there are other methods of treatment. They can put some bait over it, like a... Look at all these mud... Oh my goodness. And they can actually feed these termites. And that stuff works. I like the bait. Wasn't too sure about them years ago. I was pro-chemical. Another bird. Wow. What's with the birds, man? That bird 3? Look at termite damage over there. Holy smokes. Yeah. Hopefully they can come and agree on something here, but I'm not sure. That's not a me thing to decide, but according to me, if I was buying this house, I can't tell you I would. Now, there is a lot of land involved. Another bird? Another bird! What's that, 4? God, they're probably coming in right to that door over there. Somebody must have left the door. I don't know. It might be some of those chimney sweet birds. Guys, let me know down in the comments. What kind of birds are those? Chimney sweep? Maybe there's an access from his fireplace. Got me, man. 4 birds. The old Alfred Hitchcock movie. The birds down here. Yep. More termites. It's like I'm not surprised anymore. I'm expecting to find termites. And my favorite. Some electrical. God, I can't. Man, this past winter, I got so shocked building my shed. We had power running out there, and I didn't even touch the wire. But a little sweat bead fell on it. Had my hand near, and I got zapped. God. Oh man, that's not cool. Somehow we're gonna get to this HVAC system. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, because I don't even know by the looks of it from here. I gotta get up underneath this ductwork. Looks like, oh, this is probably the original unit, which is pretty cool because this is an old house. Look at that rust. Oh my god. That is crazy. Here, little breaker box. Look at the rust on that. Wow. So, I mean, it's a nice crawl space. It's big. If you seal it up, look at all the debris. You don't see this debris when you're cruising the crawl space. Oh my god, look at the rust. We gotta get to the other side of this machine. So we just kind of did a whole circle here. Just kind of let you guys know what these crawl spaces look like. Look at the rust. Oh my god. That thing just drips water. It's not even summer. That thing is not even running air conditioning right now. I can't imagine what that looks like in the summer. If you guys are interested in buying a house, and there's crawl space homes here in South Carolina, I know I got a lot of people moving here. Before you start falling in love with the pictures, look at this shimmy shammy job. Woo! I love it, man. Oh god, I love it. Who knows? That thing has been there probably since the beginning of time. If it works, right? I've done my fair share of shimmy shams. Oh, water heater in the... Now, this one can't count because it's right there by the door. It doesn't get all that much moisture and humidity. Not a place I want my water heater, but it seems like a good spot. And they got it on somewhat of a platform. It's okay. I mean, I can put my water heater there. I'm good with that. Guys, if you're getting any value in this video, hit that like. Leave me a comment. Subscribe. Let me know how you feel, man. Here's the bottom of this tub. Look at that rust. Wow. Watch these videos through. You know, give it a chance. If you have to skim through it, skim through it. I know you're going to get some ads every now and then, but there's nothing I can do about that. Look at this old bike. Because you don't know, I don't even know what's going to happen in these videos. I come across some crazy stuff. So we're back here. I want to kind of go over there where that side little crawl space was. Which was just right on the other side of that wall. Got a bull. It's a bull, a raft. I mean, a little floaty for the pool. It's a bull. Look at the mold growing right there on the outside of that. That's what I want to see. If there was water finding its way into this portion of the house. Folks, thank you so much. I appreciate y'all, man. And I'll catch you on the next one. Adios.